Hi everyone, and welcome to another daily video from Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. My name is Ricky Hayes. Today's video is how to make $100 a day Shopify dropshipping for beginners. Alright, so when you're starting out, this is a very basic strategy that you can use to start hitting $100 days. Okay, it really isn't that hard. Mainly the product tells the story. Okay, so you want to jump on and try and find these products. So products that have a high perceived value, things like jewelry, baby products, cosmetics, t-shirts, jumpers, hoodies, adventure camping. If you're doing t-shirts, hoodies, all that, you're doing print on demand. These other ones are just pure dropshipping. Print on demand is dropshipping, really, just a different slightly form of it. Find products that are already selling well. When you're starting out, rather than trying to find the next big thing yourself, let the market already tell you what is the next big thing. Let the others do the hard work. They've got the arrows in the back, and you're just more or less saying, all right, well, I'm now going to market that and see what results I get. Okay, you want to use things like obviously it's engagement, it's views, you know, how many views it's had. I love this, want this, need this, people even putting their feedback in it that they love it, stuff like that. You want to find the product then on AliExpress, 3 times markup. So if it's $5, you want it at least $9. Sorry, my maths just went out the window there. Sorry about that. I just got distracted for a moment there. I completely lost my train of thought. But basically 3 times markup, so you have a healthy margin. Okay, you really want to try and have that at home. You want to then take their video. You want to then take their ad copy, their description, their images. Just take it all. Okay, spend that 5-10 minutes, and then watch my other videos on how to set up a really good, high converting website and landing pages. Okay, on Shopify in 5 minutes. Previous videos, just go watch them. Won't take you long. All right. You make 3 ad sets that are $5 a day. You can go lower, as low as $3 is what I'd recommend. Straight to purchase pixel. CPM may be higher. Cost per click will be higher than that. But again, you want sales, so keep it simple. 3 different audiences. So you've got the ad copy. You've got the ad. You've got the creative. You've got the ad. You've got the description. You've got the images. You've got the store set up. Now you just need the different audiences, and so that's when you would just choose your audiences, and again just follow my previous videos on increasing average order value using apps like Personalizer, Wheelio for exit intent, bulk order discounts. Go watch all of them, okay? But this one is just trying to find some products that'll start making you $100 a day revenue pretty quick, if you find the right products. All right, so I'm doing this completely live. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I'm going to look for something along the lines of jewelry, okay? Because jewelry has a high perceived value. So I mainly use Facebook. I mainly use Facebook for this. So if I put get yours here necklace, obviously that's not necklace, and these will be mainly images, because jewelry doesn't really need a description, video on how it works. You're going to find a lot of stuff that is probably branded. Okay, yeah, you can see. So if sometimes, whoops. If I now have a look in videos, we might see something very different. So, no. See, a number of these are print on demand. So this one here, 23rd of March, about 4 months. See, if you can try and find something that's pretty new as well, then that's definitely something you want to look at. Oh, pardon me. 22nd May, June, July, August. Yeah, it's a few months. That one's not bad. I'm just trying to find a really close example if I can. No, I've seen that quite a lot, I will admit, because especially you want to do these starting to come into the final quarter of the year, that these products will sell a lot better than they normally do. Like you can see, look at this, a wine pendant necklace. This was from about a year ago now. That's just how simple that is. That's just, and they would have been selling that for quite a decent price, guarantee you. Alright, so I haven't found anything. We'll see. I don't know if this is a print on demand or if this is. It's got a lot of comments. If we go to the bit.ly URL, I just want to see. I think these are their own brand. Yeah, they are. So those aren't print on demand price. Let's try a different one. So 50% off earrings. That's funny. So you're going to find some stuff, and this is where you just sort of have to do this research. You just have to scroll through. You want to look for tens of thousands of views. That's the first point. And then look at the second point of just, is it really something? And I'm not finding anything here, so I'm going to change it to get yours here. You can see how I'm just always using pretty much get yours here, and see how much of a difference it makes. I mean, look at that. That's I Love Birthstone. This looks like quite a popular dropshipping product from about a year ago. Definitely a product that, if at that time, would have done extremely well for you. Here we go. I know, that's make your own DIY. 26th of April. Yeah, here we go. So this will do. So this is just an, yeah, this is pure dropshipping. You can tell straight away. So I Heart Butterflies. They've made a fan page. Sterling Silver, apparently it looks like they're using a paid theme, and they're trying to do frequently bought together. They're using looks by the looks of it, and you may also like. I don't do that. I put that on checkout. But you can see this is a general, by the looks of it. Is this pure butterfly? Yeah, so it's just butterfly. But you can see this is $19.99. So I'm not gonna. This is probably going to be a bit harder to find on AliExpress, but if I find this, yes, thank you. If I find this on AliExpress or a similar one, I must admit they are nice. So, you know, this is because it's a pretty broad one. It's a bit of a harder one to find. You can see though how they're very similar. And here we go. This is it here. So perfect. So it's US and I presume, yeah, look at that. So pretty much the exact images except different colors. So you can see how, and then if I did a more filtered search, I could probably find it cheaper or different suppliers. This is $5.51. They're selling it in US. They're not telling you, which is kind of annoying. They should be. At $19.90. So they're doing 4 times markup pretty much. I mean, obviously that doesn't include shipping. You're going to be mainly starting with the US. So if we go to the US, it paid 59 cents, okay? So still pretty much a 4 times markup. And I am about to sneeze. I hope you enjoyed that. My bad. So you can see how, look at that. So that they're not even doing it properly. They should be doing 50% markup. Should be $19.99. And it should be $39.99 as the strike-through price, say 50% off pretty much. Really having that home. Their trust badge, yeah, they've got the timers. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of the timers. They're not really trying to push here. They're really trying to more push bundles, which works, but I'd be pushing bundles as well as buying bulk order discounts. This is the type of item people will buy 2 of. If you buy 2 of these and you give them a 5% discount each, you know, a small cost, all of a sudden you've got your average order value to, I don't know, $36 for this as opposed to $20. And that really makes a difference to your bottom line. And there you go. So if you made 5 of these a day, if you sold 5 of these a day, you've hit $100 in revenue. And then you're doing your bulk order discounts, then you're doing your frequently bought together, your in-cart upsells, your then remarketing them, etc., etc., etc. All of a sudden, there you go, $100 a day right there. And you can see how what I'd be doing is there's a website called fbdown.net. just literally copy the URL of this, go to fbdown.net, download the video, modify it a bit if they have their logo at the end, which they don't. Click the link in the description. Okay, so you don't even need to do it. These people have made a fan page. You could make a fan page if you wanted, or you could just do it off your brand website. I would suggest doing it off your brand website. Again, the reason that I suggest that is you're wanting to build a brand. I prefer to build a brand than just short-term quick fix sales. All right, you can see this has a lot of engagement. You know, it's had 400 comments. It is about 4 months old, but it's still good. You know, imagine wearing these earrings. Would you love it? Okay, that's nice. Right now, you can get yours for a really good price. Okay, that's crap. Okay, I think that's crap. Right now, you can get yours 50% off, plus free shipping. All right, and you change that, they're like, bam, bam. You're really engaging, really interested. Their link is crap. It should be a at least a Bitly or Google Short. No, I use Bitly. Bitly URL. You've now got a video. You've now got pretty much the description. The interest targeting would be United States, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and United Kingdom, if I said that already. 25 plus. And because you want to start 25 plus, you would then, like interest targeting, I would immediately use something like, I keep forgetting. I don't remember if Sephora is cosmetics. Sephora's cosmetics, isn't it? Yeah, sorry. So like Tiffany & Co. and butterflies and online shopping. Because if they like Tiffany & Co., they like jewelry. If they like butterflies, they like this, and they like online shopping. Logically, there you go. So in about 5 minutes, I've found you a product that's going to sell. I found you a product that has a high perceived value. I found a product that has lots of engagement, pretty recent. Product that has plenty of opportunity. You can see on their website they're not doing as good of a job as they could be. You know, like they're using their Ajax rather than just sending them. I send people straight to your cart page. Okay, they're doing first time 5% at checkout. I only do that right at the checkout. Okay, you really want to try and just push home. I mean, I kind of like what's cool. Okay, no, I see what they're doing there. Like it should be an arrow, not a that. I think an arrow would look nicer. And they should be pushing like in-cart upsells, okay? And then we go enter shipping address. I wonder if they're doing the Shopify checkout hack. Instead, they're just running that there to try and run trust. Look at that. There you go. You could do a better job than them. With my previous videos and this, you can hit $100 day in no time at all. And that was just from me completely off a whim trying to find that. There's not much to it. You just find a product that has a lot of engagement if it's a post. If it's a video, a lot of video views and engagement. Like, I love this, I want this. Because if we scroll down, see all comments, want to order these, beautiful, love them. You can see how straight away they love that. And butterfly is a very specific thing, so you can really easily target it. So you could say people that love earrings, butterflies, online shopping, people that love Tiffany & Co. butterflies, online shopping, and stuff like that. They're pretty broad, large interests, but also very specific at the same time. And you can see how quite straight away from this that I have pretty much found you a winning product. You don't have to be, if you're a jewelry store, this will be perfect for you. Butterflies is something people love. I love butterflies. Women love butterflies and they love earrings about it. It's not an expensive product, 20 bucks. You could probably push that even higher if it's doing really well. But you really want to follow my other videos with this, and you're going to hit $100 days, 5 orders from this, and you've hit $100 day already. And that's it. That's all you need to do. There isn't a huge amount to it. People put a lot of emphasis into it, but you can see how just quick, simple, and easy this is. I'm just doing this entirely off the top of my head. I've done no research. You know, like you can see that there's other ones as well. If this is doing well, you sell other ones. And then you make a slideshow video on that as well. Similar to what you've already done, just a different product. And this will ship quick. It has very low returns because it's sterling silver. It's zircon, but anyway, it doesn't matter. And people will pay 20 bucks for it, and a lot of people will buy 2 of them. And that's it. Okay, that's it. All right, so that's it from today's video. If you did like today's video, I'm going to be making more of these type of ones. To help you all, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and drop a comment below if you did like today's video. I hope it's been helpful. I'm going to be making more of these videos to really help you because everyone really likes the sort of finding winning products, how to scale Facebook ads, hit $100 day, all that shit. And I'll be making more of those because that's mainly what people want. All my other videos show you how to make a store, okay? I've pretty much covered all of what you need to get a store up and running in what I would assume is about 2-3 hours. I mean, that's for me, because I've done it a lot. Okay, maybe it might be longer for you, but anyway, it's still pretty quick. Just watch all my videos. They're highly valuable, completely free. I don't sell a course. My Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle Gold Class exclusive group is what it's known as. There you go. Is being created. I am changing it from monthly to lifetime. Partly just because of the feedback I've been given is that people will join and leave. I want people that are committed. And if you spend more up front, then you're going to be committed. I want people that are committed because I'll be providing lives. The lives in the future, once the group's live, will be hosted in there. There'll be Q&As, store reviews, me making an actual store similar to what I've done here, marketing it. You'll see it all completely live. And again, it's a one-off cost. You join, that's it. You're in for life. I'll be providing premium support to you or everyone in the group. Really want to get people that are very serious about making this into a business. Okay, whether they're dropshipping, print on demand, it doesn't matter. People that really actually want to make this into their career and then pursue other interests moving forward. All right. I do have a couple of open spots this week for coaching calls, only a couple, okay, because this week's just a ridiculous week, but I always like to do a couple, 2 or 3 a week. So I've got a couple of seats open there, link down below. And again, don't forget to join my group on Facebook, Shopify Dropshipping Lifestyle. It's free. I drop a lot of value in there, respond to people as best I can, try and help everyone while trying to do this other stuff. So I am trying my best. I apologize if I can't get to everyone. But thank you very much for your time today. I hope this has been valuable for you all. Until tomorrow's video, you all have a lovely video and take care. Goodbye.